I'd like to talk about a really important piece on the submersible that's often overlooked. And it has to do with our accessory port and where we plug in all of our accessories. All VideoRay's accessories are plug and play with a 9-pin connector that goes directly into the back of the submersible. We can use multiple accessories together with a daisy chain fashion, so on and so forth. But I want to talk about the connector, or the port, the accessory port specifically, and how to seal that up in the event that you're not using a manipulator or any other accessory that has a 9-pin plug on it. So I want to show you the little piece that we put in the back there. We call it a dummy plug, for lack of a better term. But basically it's a connector that's just terminated on the end, and it seals out that port. Let me zoom in here for you a little bit so you can see that there. So here's our 9-pin accessory port. This is where our manipulators, the sonars, positioning systems all plug into. And this is what we call the dummy plug. It's basically a terminated CCON connector. So we really need to have this port plugged up and sealed before we get it wet if we don't have an accessory on it. So we ship the system with this 9-pin dummy plug in it. It's already in the back, but I just want to make you aware of it. Sometimes when you're out changing accessories in the field, which is one of the great things about the VideoRay, that it's so quick to change accessories on the go, sometimes you forget to put this back in, you throw the sub in the water, all of a sudden you have some weird stuff going on with your controls. You can short some electronics out, so on and so forth. So dummy plug, very important. You should make it part of your pre-dive routine. Every time you throw the sub in the water, make sure that something is plugged into the back of this 9-pin port. Extremely important. Can't stress that enough. So dummy plug, 9-pin port, and you're ready to dive.